Hello everyone, how are you guys doing today? Look at this bad boy, Cronos. It has been doing amazingly well. Go is up fantastically, 112% for the week. Wow, fantastically. I am excited because I called this bad boy long time ago. I told you guys about Pro. I told you that Donald Trump's company is involved with this bad boy. They are using Pro or Kronos or Crypto.com as a treasury for their assets. And I think that this bad boy have a long way to go. And today I want us to analyze Crypto.com or Kronos or Procoin price action. Let's look at what might be happening in the days to come. Now, guys, look at the structure. This bad boy got to $1, almost $1 the previous bull market. That was which year I was there. That was 2021. We saw how coal pump almost hit $1, and ever since then, price has been dropping down until July that we started seeing massive movement on the chart. Now, whenever you see a move like this, guys, what we need to do is allow the move to play out. Allow smart money to play out. Allow those who want to FOMO to FOMO. Don't rush to get in thinking maybe you have missed out on something. There's still a long way to go with this bad boy. I believe Procoin can get to $5. That's my Procoin price prediction. I think it can get to $5 by 2026. Now, whenever you come across any asset, be it Crow, be it Bitcoin, be it whatsoever you are trading or buying out there, you need to make sure you have your Fibonacci tool. Block it from the top of the previous high to the bottom or the low or the lowest low. Now, what you're gonna get here are these key zones here: the 0.382 zones, 0.5 zone, 0.618, which is a golden pocket, and the 0.786 zone. Now, whenever you look at this on your screen, be rest assured that if there's any massive move, the first cool down zone is going to be the 0.382 zone of the Fibonacci retracement line. This one. That's why we saw this movement here. It stopped, and we're going to see some retracement somehow down there. Now, what you need to do is let's just assume that this move currently has ended here. Like this is the first phase of this move, and you want to get the best entry. Bring the same Fibonacci tool, right? Block it from the top of that movement to the bottom of that movement where it started, yeah? And what you are looking at is the same zone, the golden pocket, the 0.5 zone, and the 0.382 zone. Usually, I want to see price get to the 0.5 zone. This is the area that price usually get to before we see any massive moves to the outside. Now, let's just wait for the weekly candle to close. And when the weekly candle close, what you need to do is bring in this measuring tool, block it from the beginning of the candle, yeah, to the end, to where the candle is going to end, not the week, where the candle is going to end for the week, right? This weekend, I don't know where, I'm just doing it now, like an example. You're going to see that this is the midpoint. Mark the midpoint because the midpoint is where you want to start looking for that buy opportunity. If this coin is super bullish, then the midpoint is the area where you start looking for that buy opportunity. So let's assume that price is gonna close like this week, like this week, let's say from Sunday, Monday. This should be the area where you start looking for a buy at 0.22871. You should be looking for a buy there, and you can drop now down to the lower time frame, like the 4 hours time frame, to see what price is doing there. Just be watching and look at other coins too to see, like, okay, can you pick up a short here and something like that. If you are able to pick up a short position there, then that's going to be fine for you. It's going to be amazing for you to pick up a short there. You can see price can play out something like this and do something like this, because, like, guys, I think we are going to be experiencing some sort of retracement with Coin. You can see this is a 50 moving average. It's making its way towards this line here that I drew, and this is where price is. Price might attempt to go and make higher highs and fail, right? And if it fails, you can then cash a short, take it right down here to the 0.22871 price point. So I say, let me do this quick cool video to you guys who are investing, who are trading this bad boy. If say you want to get the best entry, this is how you get it. Make sure you wait, be patient, don't rush anything. When you are patient, you're gonna get the best buy out there. And when you get the best buy, don't forget to cash out profit before they dump it on you. Right? When you see price here, don't just buy like that. Wait for price to play out. Wait for multiple rejection before you buy. Wait for volume. If you see volume, then you can buy. But usually, you want to buy when price is above the 50-day moving average. You don't buy when price is below. You can see price cross above it. Reject from here, then the next move to the upside. You would have caught this move here. Price was above the alpha trend. You can see huge buy here, and from there, price made a massive move to the upside. If you want to learn how to trade, you want to take your trading to the next level, I can teach you how to trade. I can take you one on one. Make sure you use the link below to join my Telegram community. Mention there that you want to learn how to trade, and I'm going to tell you how we can get started with your education. Until then, guys, see you in the next one. Have a nice day. Take care of yourself. Bye bye. Ciao.